Hello, welcome back for lesson number 52. I put a title called Begin. Today we're going to start a new part. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the part file and continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result of the part file. We will start with cam plan. Go for it, and then you can see the title has been changed to a cam file. Add stock. Today we're going to change another method by using a STL file. Select the folder, select the file, open, click OK. You can see that the stock has been added. We need to hide the stock, yes. Need to add the frame, set G54, create a datum. Using the offset method, the height is 45. Click OK. With that, we click OK to complete the task. Now we need to set the clearance to a higher dimension, 150. Click OK. The last one, we will go for the machine manager. Need to select a post. Post configuration. We need to change to Farnot basic metric. Set the machine name and then click OK. With that, we save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to complete the task. At start, we will go for the cam plan. Okay. The first thing we need to do is to add stock. We're going to change to STL. Select from STL. You can see that that is a stock file there. If you need the file, please do a comment. Private comment to me. I can send you the detail. Okay. Okay. We need to hide the material. Yes. Set the frame. G54. Create datum. Select the third one. Offset 45. Click OK. Click OK. Continue. We have set the frame, so the clearance is 150. OK. Machine manager. Change the post. Basic. And then we say MC 100. OK. We save the file. We have completed. Thank you for watching. We will continue the machining portion at the next lesson. Bye bye.